Okay. Assalamualaikum and good evening to our lecturer, Madam Johara. My name is Lutfi bin DAUD. I'm with my fellow friend Young&Izzat MURSYIDI bin JAZLAN. Okay, we're here to explain about our system that has been assigned to us. There is based on a vending machine system. So we choose a top-up base as our product. Okay, so Izzat will show you about the first about the program. Okay.
First, we create our function prototype. Okay. Then we go inside the DigiMain. In DigiMain, we call all the function prototype and we change it to the function call. Okay. After that, we go to the void title. Okay. In this function, we declare double MO. Okay. Then we call the function line. After that, we display maths, gambar wholesale, sendirian berhad. Okay. And we set main page, Malaysian electronic top-up system into the middle, and maths as the short form. Okay. Then void line void. This function is
set as a function to call to that we can call to make a line. Okay.
Then we get into the password void. In this function, we declare password X and Y. Then we call back the line function. Then we display maths say on the top. And after that,
we set a title password page
as a password page, and please enter your password in 5 digits. If the password is true as
1 2 3 4 5,
the system will clear the screen and display access granted direct to menu page. And we set X as menu and Y as display. Then we call the price function. Okay. If the password is wrong, not as 1 2 3 4 5, the system will clear the screen and display access denied, redirect to password page. Then we call the recall function.
Okay. So now I explain about the rest of the program. Okay. First we set integer function. So this integer menu. So in this function we set our menu. This is our product. So once again we set maths and gambar wholesale on top. After that we display our page title, that's menu. Then we display our mobile operator. We ask the user, the consumer, to choose the various mobile operator in our country. After that the user can choose between in number 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so we set to choose it for the user to choose it. So we set a switch case. So for case 1, first is we clear the screen again. So we put a line, we recall a line function. After that, again match and Gomba Household on top. Then our product page. So our mobile operator is, if you pick number 1, it will show you matches. Okay, so after that it will show we display again the amount of top up. This is RM5 till 50. So it repeatedly again on case 2, and we just change the number to change the names to Celcom. Case 3 to 4DG. So case 4 for U-Mobile, case 5 for Altel, case 6 for Tuntel. Okay, so the end of the switch case we set as default. Okay, so this default acts as a function if the user enter a wrong number. So if the user enter more than 6, like 7 till 100 or 1000 number, so it will display, it will clear screen first, display line. After that, again match and Gomba Household on top. Then our error occur page, the system will pause CLS, line again, printf Gomba Household, then we recall. So in our function recall, I will explain you on the after this. Okay, so lastly is printf. So please choose your top up amount. So this refer to this display RM5, 10 and 30 and 50. Okay, so after that is integer display. So this function we used to display our transaction page. So once again system CLS and line as usual. Okay, Gomba Household and match again. Then transaction page. Okay, then we display our chosen amount. So this amount here, this what again? This function, this printf will call the value of that you entered on top. Okay, so this in this function you will be asked to choose your quantity in number. Okay, then we set our another function that is price, integer amount and integer quantity inside. Okay, so we set our integer, choose x, y and bill. Okay, so system CRS, line and match and Gomba Household once again, receipt page as our title. Okay, so we set total price. So in this printf, the program itself will calculate the total price for us. So just set amount times the quantity. So the amount on top will times the amount of quantity that you entered. So you display the total price. So the program will ask you to insert bill. So this determine the balance that you will get. So after you enter your bill, you will get your balance. So we already said the total balance is bill minus bracket amount times quantity. Okay, so we recall again. So our function recall, we set this function to recall once again we set this function to set to ask the user whether to choose whether to continue or not. So if the user want to continue, the user can insert y, letter y. So it will clear screen again and it will go to password function. So we will direct you to this password function again and we'll start over again. Okay, so if the user choose n as no, so we already said the system will display the gift for using your system, system set as and line again. So after that it automatically will display about us and company profile. So here we display our this system is made for. So their address, name, company name, address, and hotline. So after that, we display our company. There is your co-name Sri Muhammad, and me and my partner as a software engineer. Okay, so we're gonna show you our input now. Output, sorry. Okay, so this is our output. Okay, so you need to enter any key. Just enter or whatsoever. Okay, so your password is 12345. So you can choose your mobile operator. Okay, how we choose one message. Okay, so then the system will display message. After that is you can choose your top up, the amount of your top up. So I choose 10. So 10. So choose your quantity, our 3. Okay, so the total price is 30. So it's the right amount actually. Okay, so insert bill. So I insert 50. So the right balance is 20. Yeah, there is it. So the system give you the right balance 20. So the system will ask you, do you want to continue or not? So if you press Y, you will go to the password page again. Okay, so if you enter this password wrong, example as 1438 anything, so you will direct to the error page. So the system will ask you, do you want to continue or not? So if you press Y, it will go to password page again. So if you press no, and it will display you about us and company profile. Okay, so that's all from us. Thank you, and thanks for watching. Okay, bye.